Hey guys, it's me, Christina Marie. Are you ever wondering how to look at my lips? I got lip injections. Do you like? No, I actually overdrew my lips. I'm gonna show you guys zoomed in footage of how to properly overdraw your lips. My top lip is so much smaller than my bottom lip, but you can't tell because I did some makeup trick that you guys are gonna love. I'm gonna zoom in and show you step by step, and any links I can find to the products, I will post them down below, which I don't think I can find any links, but I know you Amazon lovers out there love the links. So really pretty. Let's go ahead and just jump to that video and show you guys what I'm talking about. And we're gonna show you guys the big difference from overdrawn lips and normally drawn lips. It's huge. So my top lip is actually smaller than my bottom lip. So I actually come over here and I go just slightly above. Not too much because it will look really funny. But look at this. This is my natural line right here. Humongous difference, right? So what you will do, just so you know, you draw your normal line and then you just take it. Oops, see, like that one came up a little bit too much. I'm gonna swipe it down. You're gonna take it up more right here on the top of the lip and then come downward. And this actually will give it that pout look and make you look like you have bigger lips. Now me, to make them look even bigger and not so funny, I have a very defined point right here, right? What I will do is I will just make this point connect. Just like that. And what it did, it just raised the lip up. So, see? It just kind of raised it upward. And then, I'm going to line my bottom lips like I normally do. That is my natural line on the bottom, right? But naturally, most people have, like, how should I say, a shadow right here. You can see the shadow of my finger. See? So I want to take it down here. Only in the middle. And look at that. You see how it, just taking that center part kind of gives it like a bigger lip. And make sure that the sides connect going upward. Because we don't want to overline over here. Over here, it will make it look really messy and fake. This is an amazing liner. This is by Jordana in the color Rock and Rose. If I can find a link to this color, I'll post it down below. Anyways, so you're going to go ahead and take that color that you lined your lips and just bring it in a little bit. And then we're going to put a lipstick on top. For this video, I'm going to put a nude and then a gloss over it. Now, you saw that I didn't draw the lips, the nude lipstick. It's by Huda Beauty, all the way up, right? I left that lip liner just there and showing, and it gives it from a lighter to a darker look. So from a distance, my lips look fuller because it's like an ombre. Now, this is by Morphe in color Trippy. If you guys didn't know, lips actually look fuller and more voluptuous when they have gloss on them. So I'm going to take this Morphe color. So you can see how it looks more voluptuous. And go right over. So, what do you guys think? You guys know how much smaller my top lip is compared to my bottom. But right now, I believe that they looked like they're portioned and they're larger. So let me go ahead and zoom out. And there you guys can see what the lips look like from a distance. I think they look very, very full. Maybe, I don't know, you guys tell me, do you think my top lip still looks smaller than my bottom? Naturally, it is much smaller, but I think they look great. And this is how you would properly overline your lips if you want fuller lips and you want to avoid having lip injections like I want to avoid. Plus it costs a lot of money. Anyways, I will post the link to this liner and any if I don't think I can find these lipsticks. I think only at Sephora and Ulta, but if I can find a link to them, I will post them down below. And while you're down there, if you could give this video a thumbs up, hit the little subscribe button and the tiny little bell next to it for notifications of new videos. I'm Christina Marie. I'm out. Bye. So guys, I just woke up, but I thought I would show you guys my lips with no products on it. You see how my top lip is much smaller? Now watch when I smile. It gets much, much more smaller. See? It kind of goes away. So I just wanted to do that so you guys can see the comparison of what they look like afterwards. Tiny lips.